It's a lot of things scratch on the truck. Please secure all your valuable things because we are not liable for that. So please keep it with you. So to ride the car, you have to hold the back part, the steering wheel, and make sure to put your feet inside the car. Just put your feet inside the car. Okay, so that's how you fasten your seatbelt. Below the steering wheel, we have the lever if you have to adjust the seat. So we have the lever if you have to adjust the seat.
Let's see. I don't know if these glasses. I don't know if these glasses is gonna show through the helmet, but let's see if I can show y'all some footage. Okay, we about to hit the road, guys. Let's see. I don't know. This sound might be crazy underneath this helmet. What place I'm in? I know I'm still in last place. I'm probably a lot behind all these people. It's over already. Now this is a pretty cool thing for a cruise. Look at my turns. Like, what am I doing? Reverse. Yeah, I don't think I'm getting a license anytime soon. He's still stuck over there. I don't know what's going on. Oh, okay. I think we can move now. Let them go by because I don't know who got battling. So how I end up in first place, there must be a glitch because I done crashed everything. Well, not really crashed, but cut people, reverse, knock people off. And somehow I'm in first place. I don't know how that goes, but I think they just cut it off when I was coming because ain't no way.